up with stories, songs, skits, a bunch of ridiculous things that I hope that you guys have fun with. Next part.
Or 20.
With that, I do 100 push-ups.
Oh, wow.
Then, followed up by about 100 sit-ups.
This is all in one.
20 pull-ups.
For your last day of camping class, you have one more challenge. We're going out into the woods tonight.
Okay.
It's not that good. So,
Okay.
what you're going to do for me, first you're going to build a fire. So, go.
I'm done.
Not bad, whatever.
From the north,
From the south,
From the east!
and from the west,
we are the Rough Riders! From the south,
from the east, and from the west.
Get alone. Whatever, just go back to sleep. You can sleep in the tent. I'll sleep outside. Whatever. Don't wake me up again.
I'll wake you up.
We already got this guy like 2 times already.
I feel kind of bad about getting this guy.
Why don't we just get whoever's in the tent?
Yeah, they've been sleeping this whole night.
Let's just get him whoever's in the tent.
And I took a little walk. And I met up with some turkeys. We had a little talk. And I watched them turkeys. You Alejandro.
And Alejandro caught his tongue on a really sharp present. And nobody noticed, but Alejandro was bleeding to death. But my good penguin smelt the blood and went to stop the bleeding with her own beak. And saved little Alejandro yet again.
The year is 2050, and the animal rebellion has opened.
A great big bear running down the hill. And there's 3 more bears. In the water there. So I rest my head on the windowsill. And it splash, splash, splash. And it makes me laugh. I gotta pee. Gotta whisper. Audience, come on.
Got my backpack. Got my flashlight. Got my shotgun. Out of the cave. Right over the hill. Swim through the lake. Climb over the tree. We have a shotgun.
Yeah.
Get the bear.
With it. Yeah, like that. If you place it on the ground, if you want to measure a distance.
This? Wait. Hey, so you have some ready whip? White and fluffy?
I
have some ready whip, white and fluffy. We love white fluffy, white fluffy, white fluffy. We love white fluffy, white fluffy. So you don't shower?
You go away!
With this white and fluffy? Well, good. Boys, let's do it to it. Put it on the back.
Fire indeed, such so bright. We have met on the ship's night. Round about these whispering trees are our golden memories, and so